Alright guys, welcome back to the first Spigot tutorial on how to make Spigot plugins. So what you're gonna do is install this IntelliJ right here. So once you got that open, you wanna go to, this is what you're probably gonna see first, but then you're gonna go head over to plugins right here, search for Minecraft development. It's gonna say install right here. You wanna install that, then you go to projects and then new project, and then you will see all of these right here. You want to click on Minecraft, and then you want to click on Spigot plugin right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and hit next. So now this is pretty much what you put as if like a domain, but you make it backwards. Don't ask me why, I don't know why. But then the artifact ID, that is what pretty much the plugin name. So we're just gonna do test plugin. Then version, you can leave this right here. I'm just gonna remove the snapshot because I like it better without it. But then right here, you can select Gradle or Maven. I prefer to use Gradle because it's a lot faster. In this tutorial, we're gonna be using Maven. Don't worry, I will show later on how to use Gradle. And now you're gonna click next. This right here, plugin name. It's just gonna be autofilled. So mine is test plugin. Main class name. So this is pretty much the main class. So cc.elixir.test plugin. You can go ahead and remove this. I prefer to do this. And then Minecraft version, you can go all the way down here to 1.12 from the latest one. But I will show you guys later on how to get below even 1.12. If you want to do like 1.8, etc. Now, optional settings, this means you do not have to fill this out, but I will fill out a sum of them. Description, my test plugin. This is pretty much a short description of your plugin. Authors, this is pretty much who made the plugin. So I'm just gonna put Elixir. Website, if you have a website, put it here. I don't, I'm not gonna put anything here. Log prefix, this is pretty much like the prefix. If you see in the console, some plugins have a prefix for the message they're sending. That is pretty much what it says in the console, and they allow that post URLs and startup. I have never touched this, but yeah, let's move on. Load before, this is pretty much, you can name different plugins that you want to load before this plugin, and depend, this is pretty much all the dependencies. So basically it will load up all of those before this plugin. So basically this plugin will not start without those other plugins loaded. A soft depend, this will pretty much recognize that it uses the plugin specified, but it does not necessarily need them to functionally work. But we're gonna go ahead and click next. Project name, let's do test plugin. Let's just do it, keep it simple. And now click create. And it should pop up right here. So we got our main class right here, guys. But yeah, this is pretty much, we have the plugin all set up now. And we could actually go ahead and test this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put bucket.get console send message. This plugin works. Smiley. And now to compile this, you wanna go ahead and expand this. You wanna click on life cycle. And then package. And if this pops up, just go ahead and click this. Go ahead and go right here. Expand this arrow and click bundled Maven 3. Click apply, click OK, and then click package. Okay, so now that we see it finished, build success. So it will pop up right here in new folder called target. We expand this, and right here you see two of them. So this is the one that we want to use. So I'm just gonna go and grab my test server and put it over here. Expand this plugins folder and drag this into here. And we could go back in here. We could start the server. And now you guys can actually see test plugin enabling test plugin versus version 1.0. This plugin works. It sends the message that we put right here. So now the plugin works. Alright guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. But in the next video, I will show you guys how to use Maven and how to use Gradle, the ones we talked about previous. And I will also show you guys how to change the version of your plugin. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.